Hi, and welcome to Footie Families. Footie Families is underpinned by research and designed for parents and their young children to play together, engage in fun activities, and to help develop their fundamental movement skills. As before playing football and all sports, our little ones need to have a broad range of skills. These building blocks of movement include balancing, jumping, kicking, and many more. They are essential for children's participation in physical activity throughout life. Parents are the most important influence for a child's physical activity levels. By playing together and practicing skills through Footie Families, you will give them the best possible start to an active life. Research shows that children who move well achieve more academically, so this programme will help get your child ready for school. We want to give you a glimpse of Footie Families with an online 4-week taster. Together, you and your child will go on adventures that will improve fundamental movement skills and learn exciting ideas to make playtime fun. Let's get moving and set up our little ones for an active, healthy future with Footie Families. For more information, click the link below for how to get involved.